Okay guys, we're back with another video. We're going to be repairing the hood latch on this 1975 292 square body. We already made a bracket piece. See, like, it pushes in. There's a bracket and we're going to weld it from here to here. It's going to weld right down there.
Yeah, good. No, a little too much.
Yeah, I need to cut a little bit off.
All right.
Okay, well, we got the metal piece bent and it all cleaned up, so we're getting ready to weld.
Eyes till I get us.
Right now we're welding. Extra sparky today. Okay, well, this is what it looks like when it's all done. No loose hood bracket anymore. We welded that bracket on there, made it from scratch. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We painted it, spray painted it black to make it look better. So when we're at